Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Jeep Renegade. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry. Inside you'll find backup camera, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, push-button start, MP3 player, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks, power windows, side airbag system. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built in a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.